Health Break is sponsored by Mission Health.
Joint replacement procedures have improved greatly in recent years. Dr. Ryan McDonnell explains how Mission Health is using new technology to benefit patients.
We're doing a lot of robotic assistance with our procedures and computer navigation, which help us ensure that components are aligned exactly where we want them, that the range of motion is excellent, and that patients have a good outcome after surgery. We do a lot of new techniques to help minimize blood loss and improve pain after surgery. We typically do these with spinal anesthetic in association with a nerve block. Very often in appropriately selected patients, they can have their procedure performed as an outpatient. And a lot of people in this area in particular get back to hiking and enjoying the outdoors, and that's certainly something that should be well tolerated after a hip or knee replacement. No reason you can't get out and get hiking and cycling and doing the things that you do love.
To learn more, go to missionhealth.org/healthbreak.